So in terms of quick intro into visual thinking, for those of you, let's just say, who are maybe more coming from the IPEVO side, just quickly would like to show you or teach you something about basic shapes, where you can really construct everything with out of basic shapes. And the basic shapes are pretty much typically square, a triangle, a circle, maybe just a semicircle. Sometimes we're also using all sorts of wavy lines, and we can also use letters like the V, the A. You know, you can use pretty much the entire alphabet. And with that, I am handing over to Jill. And yeah, that's about right, the location. Yeah.
Okay. And so I will be talking about some basic shapes. And so let's make something simple together. And so we'll take some shapes, an upside down U or several U's together, a larger one, almost a J, and we will put them all together. And we have apparently what Elena needs because she was having weather issues.
Yeah, right. So we have an umbrella.
Yeah, and it belongs to the basic shapes. We still have the an alphabet. Now I will just draw a light bone with the 4 letters. If you find the right sequence, you will have the light bone for innovation or idea, for example. And Elena comes to you.
Elena, you're still on mute.
Yeah, sorry. Thank you, Shaldi. Thank you for the umbrella. Definitely I have heavy rain issues. That's why I have this changing colors in my screen. But we are here about sharing knowledge, and we have the tools which are Bikablo and IPEVO. So knowledge is about people. Everything is always about people. People talking, sharing, exchanging ideas, maybe using a document camera. Yes. So we mix people, basic shapes, icons, and words to share knowledge. And
yeah, and now let's try to draw. Yeah, let's try to draw the border so that we have one picture. So at least it looks like one picture.
And so I'm going to need a little guidance here as I am doing this in reverse.
Looks good. Looks good.
So just straight down to meet Elena.
Yeah.
I was starting. Yeah, we did some kind of magic, I think.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. Just gonna do a screenshot so that I can put that onto Padlet, and then we can move out of this and just go back to face camera, let's just say, or out of the